Hey, I'm Nick Stainsby. I'm the founder of Wipe Clean Window Cleaning, and I'm happy that you clicked this link today because for the last 15 years, I've been working my butt off growing Wipe Clean from the ground up, starting it with just one contract. I didn't even have a truck at the beginning, but I learned through hard knocks and showing up every day that consistency will outdo luck any day of the week. If you show up every day, you have good values, connect with your team, you care about everybody, and you keep it clean, you'll be fine. I wanted to take a second to introduce myself just so you could get to know me a little bit better. I remember when Signal Hill was the end of the city. It was just rocks up there. We've been cleaning windows for a long time. So many houses in Signal Hill we used to do when they were brand new, and these days they still are not as brand new. They still look fantastic. It's interesting to see the community age over time, and we're so happy to be able to help these aging communities as well as these newer communities like Harmony, Legacy in the south, and all the way up to like Saddletown in the north. When the community wins, the employees win, and the company wins. That's how we take care of everybody, and that's how we actually can grow. You need to be able to take care of yourself before you can take care of everybody else. We really have been fostering that and working on being more involved. We know that running a business can be difficult, and we're looking to connect with other business owners that want to reach out and be part of our community. We have a power group that we utilize. We send connections to other companies here in Calgary. They send connections back to us. We're all good businesses, and we like to meet up and share ideas, work at getting better with each other. When the leaders gets better, the organizations get better. Maybe you're a homeowner, a business owner, or a crazy window cleaner who wants to connect. Reach out to me. I'm looking to make 5 connections a day, and I hope you are one of them. Thanks so much.